which open.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the train. If an article should fall, please stay safe until the next stop. Inform the nearest guest. Thank you.
Disneyland Park will be open until midnight, and California Adventure Park will be open until 11 p.m. That's right, 11 p.m. for Disney California Adventure, midnight for Disneyland. Tram service will continue for 1 hour after Disneyland Park closes. Thank you, everyone. Enjoy your day. Driver tram clear.
Different studios in China. One's an animation studio.
We're now pressing our stop over the main entrance plaza.
Oh yeah. I see you really appreciate the lanes.
We actually have that.
Yeah, I was gonna say we have multiple bags. Mine does a couple of charges.
We're now approaching our stop over the main entrance plaza. Please remain seated until the tram stops completely. And then you can step out to the driver's left. And the driver's left side only. Lower your head as you stand up. Once you step out. Driver's left. You have to have all your belongings, don't leave anything behind. Please remain seated until the tram is made a complete.
Way easier than
Please wait. Not yet. There you go. Lower your head. stop.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía esté en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Driver, you are clear.
If you will be returning to the park later today, please keep your ticket to re-enter. If you'll be leaving the guest parking area and returning later today, just show today's parking ticket to re-enter the parking area. As you travel through our resort, we'd like to remind you that our guest parking areas have a speed limit of 14 miles per hour. We ask that you please observe this speed limit and yield the right-of-way to Disneyland vehicles, whether it's walking or driving. We are now approaching the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals tram stop, which serves the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals parking structures. Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop. Then gather your belongings, lower your head, and watch your step, exiting to the driver's right. On behalf of all our cast members, we'd like to thank you for joining us today. Once in your car, please be sure to buckle up and have a happy and safe journey home.
Please stay seated with those doors closed. Once the tram comes to a full and complete stop, and I have indicated it's safe to exit, we'll be exiting to the driver's right-hand side. And that's going to be the driver's right-hand side only. Please stay seated with those doors closed. Alright, it's now safe to exit to the driver's right.
Happy New Year.